Hello and welcome. In this video, we review Autoscale Profiles, a premium feature now available in Nerdio Manager for Enterprise version 5.6. As the number of host pools increase, it can be time-consuming to edit the Autoscale schedule for each. Modifying new and existing Autoscale policies individually can lead to errors and configuration drift. Starting with Nerdio Manager for Enterprise version 5.6 with premium licensing, we have a new option that allows us to create one or more Autoscale profiles and then apply that profile to new or existing host pools. To create a new Autoscale profile, go to Settings and then to Autoscale Profiles. We'll add a new Autoscale profile. From here, we can select what mode or type of host pool the profile will apply to. Each host pool type has different options, so we can select the type here. We'll select a shared or pooled host pool. Give it a name, Demo Shared for this example. Then give it a description, Autoscale Profile for shared host pools for this example. Next, we have the same set of Autoscale options that you may already be familiar with. We can set the host pool properties. Let's set the session limit to 5. We can also set the load balancing type. We can set the host pool sizing options. We'll set the base host pool capacity to 8 for this example. And we'll set the burst capacity to 3. For scaling logic, we'll set it to available sessions. Let's leave the rest of this as is for the demonstration. We could modify the rest of the settings the same as we would with any other host pool Autoscale configuration. Let's save the profile. Next, if we create a new shared host pool, I'll quickly create a new host pool just for this example. Once we get to Autoscale, we have the option to configure it manually or select an existing profile. If we go to Profile, there's the Autoscale profile we just created. Also, let's go to an existing host pool. On the existing host pool, we'll go to Autoscale and Configure. Here also we can select our profile. A couple of things to note. Once we have our profile selected, we can't modify any of the settings. If we need to make a change, we do that by modifying the Autoscale profile. The updated settings will then take effect on any host pools the profile is applied to. If we need to make a change to one of the host pools, we can switch the profile to Custom. That removes the profile, allowing us to make changes. The profile settings will stay in place once we switch back to Custom, but profile changes won't affect the pool because the profile is no longer linked. Also, the profile doesn't apply to VM settings such as the image or the VM size. That is independent of the profile. We could also create multiple profiles and use one of them for the alternative schedule. Finally, we can view the host pools a profile is applied to by going to Autoscale Profiles under Settings. That is how to use the new Autoscale Profile Premium feature in Nerdio Manager for Enterprise 5.6.